Perfect Polly. Together Mittens. The Brief Jerkey. Any Tea Cosy. The Sholdit half scarf, half purse. Old Brooklyn lantern. The pocket hose. Meat and cheese gift set. Zoomies Glasses. Porter Pub. Hot dog water gun. Pay phone. Grass grow kit. A dog beanbag chair. And sink blanket. A creepy doll in a leopard outfit. Thigh master. Grayson Perry Scrotal sack handbag. Pajama Jeans. Criss Angel Magic Platinum Kit. An Inflatable Fruitcake. NCIS Bert the Farting Hippo. Bert in Bikini Keychain. An iPhone holder. Directional Towels. Razorblade Soap. Nicolas Cage Pillowcase. Justin Bieber alarm clock. Party in the tub light. Fanny farting bag.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.